Hello, and welcome to my channel, Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you a little bit of peace and happiness through fun painting tutorials today. As I mentioned in my earlier videos, I am doing a theme of Powerpuff Girls this week, and this video is a tutorial on Buttercup. So I'm starting off with a limeish green color, and I'm just spreading that around a 5x7 inch canvas.
It's on that channel.
Next, I'm taking Sun-Kissed Peach to create the face and the arms of Buttercup. So for the face, I was kind of doing like a oval, but kind of smushed a little more, and making it very large compared to the body. If you ever want to find the reference photos I'm using, check out my Pinterest at Anne's Aesthetics. Go to my board, art and drawings, and you will find the inspiration photos under that board. Here I'm using the Sun-Kissed Peach to draw the arms of Buttercup. I'm basically just keeping the arms slimmer at the base of the body and thicker at the end, like the edges. Moving on to the body of Buttercup, I'm creating a foot first, which it's kind of like a really screwed up circle on purpose though. But then I'm filling it in but leaving some space for the white highlighting that I'm going to add later on. And then I just kind of drew her body as if she was kind of sitting down in my mind, but obviously she's not sitting. She's flying, getting ready to fly. But for drawing purposes, I drew it as if kind of an angle of sitting. Using the marker to fill in the areas that I want to be black, and then leaving the open spaces for the white highlighting. I'm taking a different acrylic black marker. This one I did not care for, but I'm going to work with it. And I'm just outlining and drawing where the hair would be for Buttercup. I would love to know who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is. Comment below. We're moving on to the eyes right here. I started with an eyebrow, and then I'm going in with a round eyeball shape. If you can't make a round shape, you could take anything that has a round cap and just trace on that. I feel like a water bottle cap might be a really good option for this size of a painting, or a quarter. I used white paint as my highlighter because this marker really wasn't doing it for me. They haven't been lately, and I've been trying to experiment with new markers, so I'm just in my experimenting phase, trying to figure out what materials and products I like best. I'm using the same lime green as I did for the background for Buttercup's eyes. This tutorial I feel like is super fun and easy for all levels. You definitely can do this, and I would love to see your recreation if you do, so be sure to tag me. Here I went in with a bright yellow just because I thought the star needed some touching up, and then I just added some Mod Podge that's glossy. I'm spreading it out, and bada bing bada boom, we are getting to the end of this tutorial.
Yeah, I got you the first time.
This is the finished look right here of all three of the girls. The other two tutorials will be coming later this week. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye.